What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So Focused Marketing and Promotions, Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Alright, I just wanted to give y'all an update on Karma and Cash. I know I haven't put them on the channel in a while. That's Cash. Cash is open for stud. If you're interested, hit me up. I'm so focused at gmail.com. 14 months old. He's open for stud. Hit me up if you're interested. And this is Karma. Karma is 14 months also. Obviously, you know they brother and sister. That's Karma. Cash. Just want to give y'all a quick update on how they looking. I know it hasn't been a long time since I put a video up on them. Like I said, if you're interested in cash, not for sale, open for stud, I'm so focused at gmail.com. Hit me up. Well, let me know in the description box below. He got bone, he got structure, he got all of that. AKC registered, ABR registered, both of them. Come here, Karma. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. See Karma? Small, compact, boned up, muscle definition, all of that. Come on. See how they look on the outside? Karma is extra small. She look like a black color, but she's mostly like a sable brown color. See? She should be coming into heat. Her second heat very soon. That's Cash. Just being dominant. Come on, Cash. Cash, let's go. Not aggressive at all. He just being protective. That's Karma. Small, compact, boned up. Body structure is crazy. Like I said, she's 14 months. Should be going back into heat soon. Got some, I got a stud already lined up for her already. But we'll see what happens with that once that time comes. But she look crazy. That's Karma, y'all. Again, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on what they looking like. And this is Cash. If you're interested, you ready to go. Not for sale, but for stud services. All right. Y'all stay locked into the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and let me know. Oh, Cash is a tri-colored exotic bully. If y'all don't know that yet, if this is your first time tuning in, he's a tri-color exotic bully. Structure is crazy. Everything tight. He's ready to go. He ready to work. Not for sale. Stud services only. You see the structure on him. Shiny coat. All of that. And that's Karma. Alright? Let me know. Hit me up. IMSOFOCUSED@gmail.com. Or, check us out. Instagram, So Focused Bullies. Alright? And that's done. Alright, like I said at the end of every video. 3 things in life y'all gotta remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all. Look at that structure. Alright, until the next video, stay focused, y'all.